If you want to find and manage sounds and vibration settings on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you just have to open the settings on your phone, and then you should be able to find sounds and vibration pretty easily. It should be somewhere over here in this section. So we can tap here, and now you can easily start customizing these settings. For example, we can choose the sound mode, well, whether you prefer to use the sound mode, vibrate mode, or mute mode. We can set up the default ringtone, notification sound. We can also find the system sound section where we can toggle some system sounds here, or you can choose the sound theme. We have the volume section where we can easily adjust the volume for pretty much everything on our phone. We have the vibration section as well, where we can choose the call vibration and notification vibration. We have system vibration section as well, so you can toggle specific system vibrations here. And the vibration intensity, of course, which allows you to adjust how strong those vibrations should be. Besides that, we have the sound quality and effects. So over here, you should be able to, for example, toggle Dolby Atmos. We have the equalizer and some additional features that you can see right now on the screen. And besides that, we have the separate app sound, which allows you to play media from apps you select on a separate audio device. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.